Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking ownership of the problem. Gather the Huawei model, firmware, admin login, and a working config backup. Next, verify physical connections and link LEDs so you avoid chasing software symptoms when cabling is at fault. Once done, log into the CLI or Web GUI and note interface IPs, mask, and gateway. This information guides the next steps and prevents configuration drift while you perform targeted checks and apply fixes. You now move to systematic checks. Inspect interfaces for errors, CRC, drops, and mismatch in speed or duplex, because hardware negotiation problems often mimic routing faults. Then examine the routing table and ARP entries so you can see whether packets know where to go. If dynamic protocols are involved, confirm neighbor states and route advertisements. Once you identify the mismatch or missing route, apply a corrective change, fix duplex, update ACLs, or restart the protocol session, and watch. You finish by applying targeted fixes, saving the configuration, and validating end-to-end connectivity with ping and traceroute from both sides. This confirms the issue is resolved rather than masked. Make sure to document changes and keep the backup handy so you can quickly roll back if the network destabilizes. If things go wrong, enable debug logging and capture packet traces on the affected interface. Those captures reveal where packets stop and are your fastest path to a permanent repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.